Hi everyone, this is another problem solving and data analysis question. Let's start with the question. So before we start with the question, you should know like this is a graph, and then in this graph there are x-axis here, y-axis here. So we are going to investigate this in a few seconds. But if I worry before I start to read the question, I will take a look. So it is it's the A, B, C, D, E. So we don't know what it is because there is no label here. But because there's a label T here, so we know this about T, it's the A, B, C, D, E. But there is no label for y-axis, so that's why we don't know these numbers 0 through 9. We don't know what they mean. But we have a title for the line bar graph: rooftop solar panel installation in 5 cities. So city 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is rooftop solar panel installations. But we don't know these numbers, what they mean yet. So let's read the question. The number of rooftops with solar panel installations in 5 cities is shown in the graph. If the total number of installations is 27,500, 27,500 is the total number of installation. What is an appropriate level for the vertical axis of the graph? So as I told you, we don't know what this vertical axis mean, but this is asking to me appropriate level. So let's check the answer choices. A, B, C, D all is same, but there's only one difference for each one in the parentheses. In tens, it says in hundreds, in thousands, in tens of thousands. So for this kind of question, you are going to try to figure out what these numbers mean, because obviously 27,500 not in here. But let's see what is these numbers about in this graph. So let's get started. So first of all, what's the A? What is the A? This graph is going up through 9. So it means this A means for me, this is 9. For now. So we will talk about this detail about the 9 in a few seconds. So now it's TB. So what is TB? It's TB going up, and as you see it is 5. So it's TB for me. So far it's 5. So let's go to STC. STC going up through 6. STC for me now it is 6. I will do same thing for D. D is going here. It's about 4. Okay, E is a little different because I don't exactly know what is this number. So what might be it is? So this is looks like in the middle of these two horizontal line. So this line at the bottom is 3. This line at the top is 4. So it is between 3 and 4. Which number is in the middle 3 and 4? 3.5. You are able to write the number for this kind of question because it's almost in the middle. So we can say this is 3.5. Alright. So it is about the number is given to me here. It's about the number of installations, 27,500. So in the chart I have these numbers like for STA9, STB5, 6, 4, 3.5 for STE. If I add them up, what I'm gonna have? So when I add them up, so 9 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3.5. So first of all, 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 plus 3.5 is equal to 27.5. So you can use calculator because for this question, as you see, if you have a calculator icon, you can use calculator to find 27.5. So when I compare the number is given in the question 27,500 and the number I find from the graph, they are so similar. So 27.5. So 27,500. So for this kind of question, how to write the number of installation in tens, in hundreds, thousands, or tens of thousands, you are supposed to know how to find 27,500 from 27.5. So when you look at here, to find 27,500, it doesn't look good, so let me fix this. 27,500. Alright, this is better. So how many steps I am supposed to go? This is my decimal place value. I will go to right one more time and one more time. I'm gonna put this 0 here. So how many times I move to right side? 1, 2, 3. So it means I'm gonna put 30 after 1. So what is that? This is about 1000. This is 1000. So if it is 1000, the label should be in 1000. Correct answer will be C for this question. Thank you. Have a great day.